In this tutorial, you will learn the reference feature of the SolidWorks. By clicking, you will see the difference of plane, axis, coordinate points, coordinate mass, bounding boss, or mate reference. In this, you will learn, in this course, you will learn the plane and axis. Okay, if you want to make the plane, click on plane, select the reference, that is first, uh, at a distance of 50. I want to make the plane at distance of 50, so you can click select, make, give the dimension of 50 and click on OK. Just OK, and it will make the new plane from where you want to make the sketch for your new feature. Okay, now second one is axis. If you want to give the axis, like here is no axis, so if you want to give the axis at here, select this edge and click on OK. Now here one axis has been created whose name is axis 1. If you want to rename this, click on right and double click this, and you will give the, okay, no problem, rename the tree name. Here you will get the, by right click, just right click and select the rename tree name. You can give any name of axis. In very high assembly of the SolidWorks part, you will, it is very helpful to select this one. Okay, because in assembly tutorial you will learn about the mate. In mate, this axis is very important. Okay, i'm uh, I'm holding the axis name is axis, that is default name. Now next one is coordinate system. If we want, the default coordinate system is here. If you want the coordinate system at this plane or its surface or this corner, so just click on this face or surface. Okay, now I'm selecting this, now you can see the, I'm selecting the knot, that is this. Now you can see the direction, that is x direction. From here you can also verify the x for, green direction is for y, so y direction should be reverse, or you can change here. Okay, this is depend on your requirement. Okay, now click on OK. Now second is point. If you want to any point for reference, for example, I want to point at here, I want the point at this, so click on, select this point and click on OK. Okay, like center of the face, that is center, and click on OK. It will make the point at the center of this face. Okay, now center of mass. Now center of mass, like if you want to get the center of mass of the body, you can see here the center of all the body is here. If you want to hide, you can hide from here, right click and click on hide button. Okay, now you can see in next we will use the, not this, we will make the helix and spiral. Okay, thank you for watching.